Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 5000 peak watt super quiet portable inverter generator is a compact and efficient power solution designed for a variety of situations, whether you're looking for backup power during an outage, a reliable energy source for outdoor activities, or a dependable companion for RV trips. This generator stands out in the market, primarily due to its blend of power, portability, and quiet operation. At first glance, the Westinghouse generator is equipped with a robust 5000 peak watt and 4500 running watt capacity, allowing it to handle multiple devices simultaneously. This power output is suitable for running essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, and even power tools, making it a versatile choice for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The inverter technology ensures that the power produced is clean and stable, suitable for sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones. One notable feature of this generator is its remote electric start capability. This convenience allows users to start the generator from a distance, which can be particularly useful in situations where manual starting would be cumbersome or inconvenient. Additionally, the unit includes an easy-to-read LED display that provides important information such as remaining fuel, wattage output, and operational status, helping users to monitor the generator's performance at a glance. In terms of practical usage, the Westinghouse generator is designed with portability in mind. It is relatively lightweight, and the built-in wheels and handle enhance maneuverability, allowing users to transport it easily to a campsite or around the home. The generator operates quietly, producing noise levels as low as 52 decibels at a quarter load, which is comparable to a normal conversation. This characteristic makes it an appealing option for environments where noise might be a concern, such as during camping trips or neighborhood gatherings. Overall, the Westinghouse 5000 peak watt super quiet portable inverter generator offers a compelling combination of power, convenience, and quiet operation. Its array of features makes it suitable for various applications, whether for emergency backup or recreational use. With its user-friendly design and reliable performance, this generator is a noteworthy option for anyone in need of portable power solutions.